Hello everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our renovation series. And today we are showing you a day in the life on site with Vanity, Carpentry and Joinery. We are working on multiple installs at once: vanities, locker panels, benches, cubicles, and even a baby play pot. Let's get into it. These vanity units are in place, but the finishing stage is still ahead. We'll be fitting trim, sealing, joints, and cleaning everything before handing over. We are currently fitting custom locker door panels. Each panel is sized precisely, and all doors are hung